In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can edit a highlight on Instagram. Okay, so if you go to your Instagram profile by tapping the little profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, you can see I have some highlights at the bottom underneath my bio. If I go ahead now and tap on any one of these highlights, let's just say this one for example, you can see a little more icon at the bottom right hand corner. If I go ahead and tap on that more icon with the 3 vertical dots, it's going to bring up a menu, and the first option there is edit highlight. If I tap on edit highlight, I can do various things with this highlight. I can remove some of the posts from this highlight just like that. So if I wanted to remove those 3 posts, I can remove them from that specific highlight. I can change the name of the highlight like that, and you can edit the cover if you would like to change the cover for your specific highlight. And then if you tap on the add button next to where it says selected, tap on add, and then you can go ahead and add some more posts to this highlight by tapping on it just like that. And then when you're done, you would just simply tap on done at the top right hand corner. That's going to load up the new changes, and now it says the highlight has been updated. So that would be how you can edit a highlight on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.